Hey everyone, it's Andrew with KUSA. Just going to do a quick instructional video on how to install the extended flared magazine well for our 9mm. We'll start by showing clear on the weapon, take out our flag, bolt go home, put it on safe, the weapon down, take our magazine flare and install the set screws on either side just to get them seated. So we'll put them in and we'll tighten them down just one thread just to get them in there. Okay, so one on each side. All right, with the screws pre-installed, just slightly inside of their holes, we'll put the magazine flare onto the well just by popping it over. Just a snug press. And then in order to tighten down the screws, we're going to take one of our magazines and insert it into the magazine well. Then we're going to tighten down our screws until we get a slight amount of resistance. So tighten them down a couple of turns. This is going to vary by gun and by magazines. So there's a slight amount of resistance on that screw. Then we'll come to the other side, tighten down the other screw until we have a slight resistance. Okay. Slight resistance there. Then we'll take our magazine in and out a couple of times just to verify that it's nice and snug and that the magazines will drop free when we press our magazine release. So there we go, all installed and ready to go.